Hello, my dear students. Today we will discuss and we will study absolute configuration. The absolute configuration is related to stereochemistry. The absolute configuration is also called RS nomenclature, CIP configuration, CIP principle. The CIP principle is that Kahan, Ingold, Prelog. It is given by three scientists, Kahan, Ingold, Prelog, for the honor of their. It is also called CIP nomenclature, CIP configuration. So, my dear students, let's go for study the absolute configuration. Now, we will share the notes of related to this topic. This is absolute configuration. Before the absolute configuration, we will discuss relative configuration. The relative configuration is that the one compound is take as reference, that is called glyceraldehyde. The glyceraldehyde in which the OH group are right hand side, that is called, and H group, the OH group is right hand side and H group is left hand side. This is called D, capital D glyceraldehyde. If the OH group is left hand side, that is called L, capital L glyceraldehyde, because this is the reference configuration. It is given by Rosenhoff in 1906. But we will so many drawbacks there. There is all the organic compounds, all the chiral center compounds, all the enantiomers does not have, it does not attach, it does not have OH and H groups. Some groups have the OH and H groups but related to amino acids and carbohydrates. Therefore, it is common for amino acids and carbohydrates and that type of compounds, but in the normal way, it is clearly so that the so many drawbacks there, and there is all the compound does not have H or OH. Okay? For this, the a new nomenclature is introduced by Kahan, Ingold, and Prelog. Therefore, this absolute configuration is universal system for the specifying the absolute configuration of each chiral center in a molecule was advised Kahan in 1956, and two scientists also involved Kahan. There is Ingold and Prelog. There is also called CIP principle, CIP nomenclature. The RS configuration systems involves two steps. There is step first and step second. The step first, the four different ligands are uh, attached to chiral center. Attached to chiral center, there is uh, given by there is no camera is attached to there. We will discuss here recording and end of this full screen. The camera is not working. We will uh, uh, take the push of this. ठीक है? Okay. चलो कोई don't matter. Uh, the four different ligands attached to the chiral center are assigned as sequence of priority according to sequence rules. Sequence rules is very important because according to these rules, we will follow the how can we nomenclature of the chiral center compound In the second step, after the assignment of the priority of the ligands, the group of the lowest priority is directed away. Is the lowest priority is directed away from the observer. Now the assignment of the remaining three groups is viewed in the decreasing of their priorities. If the path going from the highest priority substituted to the lowest is clockwise, the configuration is called R. R is Latin word, and it means is rectus, it is on right hand side. If it is anti-clockwise, it is called as configuration. It is also Latin word. The sinister is called left hand side. Okay? For example, we'll take the good example for that. That is, this is the according to sequence rules. Before the examples, we will discuss about the sequence rules. Sequence rules, if all the four atoms directly attached to the chiral center are different, the sequence of the priorities is determined by their atomic numbers. Or all the students, listen it is carefully that there is determined by atomic numbers. The priority is decided by its atomic numbers. Okay, if the isotope is there, the atomic number is similar. In this case, the higher mass number has higher priority. Highest mass number has highest priority. For example, there is example is there, that is we can discuss here, that we will take with marker. This is the Cl, iodine, and SO3H group, sulfonic group. So iodine is the atomic number highest, this one, and the chlorine at a directly attached atoms. We will take atomic numbers. The highest, the directly attached elements will decide the highest priority atomic number. Yeah, atomic number. There is directly attached sulfur. That directly attached chlorine. That is iodine. Therefore, the iodine is have highest atomic number. That is called 1, 2, and 3, and that is 4. 4 is the 4. 4 is the on the horizontal line. Note that all the students please note that if the lowest priority group take horizontal line, therefore we will change its configuration R into S, S into R. Okay, because according to Fisher presentation or projection, the horizontal line shows Weaver side atoms or groups. If in the case of RS nomenclature, the lowest priority group or atom is always on the vertical line. Okay, आगे चलते हैं. My dear students, we will discuss about this current. This is called chloroiodomethane sulfonic acid. The I to S means the sequence rule is clockwise, but the group of the lowest priority is on the horizontal line. Hence, the configuration is S. Okay, S क्या आया? S. इस प्रकार से हमें क्या मिला? S मिलता है. There is S. Okay, but in case of before next example, H CH3 Br. The D or H have same atomic number, but it is isotopic. Deuterated have the higher mass number. Therefore, the numbering of these examples is shows as this is the first, is the carbon directly attached, second, and deuterated mass number is higher is third, and the lowest is 4. That is called first to second, second to third. It is, this is the S configuration. It have the S configurations. The S is maintained S because the lowest priority group have we attached with vertical line. Okay, my dear students, it is S, but in case of first is also S. Both examples have S configurations. The next sequence rules is that if the branches is there, therefore the directly attached carbon is similar. For example, this is the example. Directly attached carbon, directly attached atom or groups is similar, then we will follow next to next atom rule. Next to next atom rule. It is, I will show it that by the marker. देखिए, this is the carbon is, it is carbon directly attached to chiral center. It is carbon also directly attached to carbon center. They both have the same atomic number, but in case of CH3 group, methyl group, there is no, the hydrogen, 3 hydrogens there. But in case of ethylene group, there is 2 hydrogen atom, but 1 carbon atom is there. The next atom may it have 1 more carbon atom. Your 1 carbon atoms is replaced by the hydrogen. Therefore, its priority is higher than methylene group. First is that, second is that, third is and 4. Therefore, 1, 2, 3 are 2-bromobutane. Okay, that is very good example of this sequence rules. We'll go ahead. In case of doubly and triply bonded atoms, we will open all the bonds by the attaching its atoms. For example, the carbonyl group becomes the carbon have 2 oxygen atom attached to 2 oxygen atom. A double bonded carbon atom attached to 2 carbon atom. The carbon attached with 3 bonded nitrogen. Therefore, the carbon attached 3 nitrogen atom. Okay. For example, this is my last example, my dear students. This is the sequence rules, and it is very good questions. It is asked in many examinations for as NET in the case of the first grade, and therefore and related to the chemistry examinations. This is it have very weightage 4 and 3 questions always put up in these examinations. Okay, for example, last example we will discuss here. देखिए, the CHO group, LDID group, OH group, CH2 OH group, and H. LDID group and CH2 group both have the oxygen atom, but the LDID group have the carbon attached with 2 oxygen atom. There is the 2 oxygen atom here and that. But in case of alcoholic, only 1 oxygen atom is attached. Okay? With the chiral center directly attached that OH group, oxygen. Therefore, the atomic number of oxygen is higher than carbon atom. Therefore, we will take it as highest priority 1, and then CH aldehyde group or alcoholic group. The aldehyde group have 2 oxygen atom attached, 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah, what is configuration of that? It is 1, 2, 3. Yani S, but in case of lowest priority, we attach the horizontal line. Therefore, we will change S into R, S into R, due to the edge is on the horizontal line. Therefore, it have R form, R configuration, R form, R configurations. Okay, my dear students, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.